Picture this. You're cruising down an open road, heads turning, phones coming out. Because what you're driving doesn't look like anything people expect. It's not a bike, it's not a van. It's a jaw-dropping metallic tricycle RV that looks like it rolled straight out of the future. From the first glance, this machine demands attention, and once you really look closer, it becomes impossible to look away. The first thing that hits you is the body. That smooth, mirror-like metallic finish reflects the sky, the road, and everything around it, giving this tricycle RV a bold, futuristic personality. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a moving piece of art. Every curve is intentional, every angle designed to reduce drag while boosting style. It's compact, yet it feels powerful, like it's ready to take on long highways and hidden back roads alike. Now let's talk about the three-wheel design, because this is where things get really interesting. Two wheels at the back give it stability, while the single front wheel keeps it agile and fun to drive. This setup makes it surprisingly easy to handle, even in tight spaces. Parking? Way easier than a traditional RV. Turning corners? Smooth and confident. It's built for people who want freedom without the stress of driving a massive camper. Step inside, and you'll be shocked by how much is packed into this small footprint. The interior is smart, cozy, and beautifully designed. You've got a comfortable sleeping area that feels more like a modern tiny home than a vehicle. Soft lighting, clever storage compartments, and clean finishes make the space feel warm and inviting. It's the kind of place where you can relax after a long drive and actually feel at home. The kitchenette is compact, but practical. There's space to prepare simple meals, store essentials, and keep everything organized. Whether you're making morning coffee while watching the sunrise or cooking a quick dinner under the stars, this metallic tricycle RV makes it feel special. Every detail is designed to maximize space without feeling cramped. What really sets this tricycle RV apart is the lifestyle it represents. This isn't just about travel, it's about freedom. Imagine waking up by a lake, driving through mountain roads, or parking near a quiet beach, all without worrying about campsites or hotel bookings. This RV is built for spontaneous adventures, for people who want to chase experiences instead of schedules. And let's not forget efficiency. Thanks to its lightweight design and aerodynamic shape, this tricycle RV uses far less fuel than traditional RVs. That means longer trips, fewer stops, and more money saved for experiences that matter. It's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and adventure-ready, all at the same time. As the sun sets and the metallic body reflects golden light, this tricycle RV truly comes alive. It's not just a way to travel, it's a statement that says you value creativity, freedom, and living life differently. This is the kind of vehicle that turns everyday roads into unforgettable journeys. So if you've ever dreamed of hitting the road in something unique, something bold, something that feels like the future on three wheels, this stunning metallic tricycle RV might just be the ultimate adventure machine. And once you see it in action, trust me, you won't stop thinking about it.